Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the Python coding question from the HackerRank. Here given a task, given an integer n, perform the following conditional actions. If n is odd, print weird. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. If n is even and greater than 20, print not weird. And here the input format are a single line containing a positive integer n. Okay, what should be the output format? Print weird if the number is weird. Okay, otherwise print not weird. So suppose there is a sample here given input 3. So what should be the output? It should be weird. Then similarly there is another example. If here as if there is a 24, suppose there is a 24, then your output should be not weird. So this problem is asking you to decide whether a given integer is weird or not weird based on simple conditions related to whether the number is even or odd, and also its range. First you take the input number, then you check if it is odd or even. If the number is odd, the rule is very simple: always print weird, no matter what the value is. If the number is even, then the decision depends on which range it falls into. If it is even and lies between 2 and 5 inclusive, then it is considered not weird. If it is even and lies between 6 and 20 inclusive, then it is considered weird. Finally, if the number is even and greater than 20, then it is again not weird. So basically odd numbers are always weird, but even numbers change their behavior depending on the range they fall into. Now let's connect this logic. N equal to int input here we are reading the input number and converting it into an integer because input is always taken as a string by default, but we need a number to apply mathematical conditions. This directly relates to the question because the whole decision is based on the integer value of n. Next we check the first and most important condition, whether the number is odd. If n modulus 2 equal to 1, print weird. Here n modulus 2 equal to 1 means the number is not divisible by 2, so it is odd. According to the question, if the number is odd, we do not need to check any further conditions. We directly print weird. That is why this condition is placed first. Now we handle the case when the number is even. If it is not odd, it automatically becomes even. So we move to the else part. Else this line is directly connected to the logic in the problem where all remaining conditions are only for even numbers. Now inside the else block we check the first even range condition. If n equal to 2 and n is smaller than equal to 5, print not this matches the question statement. If the number is even and between 2 and 5 inclusive, it should be not weird. Since we are already inside the else block, we already know the number is even, so we only check the range condition. Next, the condition handles the middle even range. So, if n is greater than equal to 6 and n is smaller than equal to 20, print weird. Print weird. This directly comes from the rule that even numbers between 6 and 20 inclusive are considered weird. So when the number falls in this range, we print weird. Finally, we handle the last condition for even numbers greater than 20. Else print not weird. This means if the number is even and does not fall in the previous two ranges, then it must be greater than 20, and according to the problem, such numbers are not weird. Okay, so let's check the indentation of this code. N equal to int input, if n modulus 2 equal to 1, then here print weird, else here we have to be, then if then if we have to be in a same align, if else it should be in the same align. Let's run this code. Invalid index if n is greater than equal to 6 and n is smaller than equal to 20. Here and here I live n is greater than equal to 6 and n is smaller than equal to 20. Now we get the solution. Thank you.